Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, Bose sound system, power lift gate, traction control, heated seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, remote vehicle start, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.